Question number 13. The middle point of the sides of a triangles are this. Find the coordinate of its vertices. Let the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle ABC are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Given that the midpoint of the side of triangle BC is, suppose that D coordinate 2, 1. The midpoint of AC is E coordinate -1, -3. The midpoint of AB is F whose coordinate 4, 5. Find the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So take F. F is the midpoint. F is the midpoint of AB. Therefore the x coordinate of midpoint is 4, and using the formula, so x1 plus x2, x coordinate is x1 plus x2 upon 2, so therefore x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Equation number 1. The y coordinate of midpoint 5, using the formula y1 plus y2 upon 2, so therefore y1 plus y2 equal to 10. Equation number 2. Take D. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore x coordinate of midpoint is 2, and using the formula, so x1 plus x2 upon 2, so here x2 plus x3 upon 2, therefore x2 plus x3 equal to 4. Equation number 3. The y coordinate of D is 1 equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2, therefore y2 plus y3 equal to 2. Equation number 4. Take E. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of AC. The x coordinate of midpoint is -1, using the formula x1 plus x3 upon 2, so therefore x1 plus x3 equal to -2. Equation number 5. Y coordinate is -3, using the formula y1 plus y3 upon 2, therefore y1 plus y3 equal to -6. Equation number 6. Solving all 6 equations and find x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now subtracting equation number 3 from 1, so therefore x1 plus x2 minus equation number 3, x2 minus x3 equal to 8 minus 4. So x2 is cancelled, therefore x1 minus x3 equal to 4. Equation number 7. Equation number 7. Now adding equation number 7 and 5. Adding equation number 7. Equation number 7 and 5. Therefore x1 minus x3 plus x1 plus x3 equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Here x3 is cancelled. 2 times x1 equal to 2. Therefore x1 equal to 1. Putting the value of x1 in equation number 7. Putting the value of x1 in equation number 7, so therefore 1 minus x3 equal to 4 minus x3 equal to 3, therefore x3 equal to minus 3. x3 equal to minus 3. Putting the value of x3 in third. Putting the value of x3 in equation number 3. x3 equal to -3, x2 -3 equal to 4, therefore x2 equal to 7. Write down. Similarly, subtracting 4 from 2, so therefore y1 plus y2 minus y2 minus y3 equal to 10 minus 2. So therefore y1 minus y3 equal to 8. Equation number 8. Now adding 6 and 8. Adding equation number 6 and equation number 8. जब ऐड करेंगे तो y3 कट जाएगा, तो 2 टाइम्स y1 इक्वल टू 8 माइनस 6 2, देयरफॉर 8 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 2, देयरफॉर y1 इक्वल टू 1. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ y1 इन दिस, तो देयरफॉर 1 माइनस y3 इक्वल टू 8 माइनस y3 इक्वल टू 7, देयरफॉर y3 इक्वल टू माइनस 7. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ y3 इन 4, तो देयरफॉर y2 minus 7 equal to 2, therefore y2 equal to 9. Hence coordinate of A is x1 comma y1 1 comma 1, coordinate of B is x2 comma y2, and coordinate of C is x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3 minus 7, y2 is 9 and y3 is minus 7. Answer, write down. Question number 14, prove that the points are collinear. So we know that if area of triangle is 0, the given points are collinear. Now prove area of triangle made by given points is 0. Let a triangle ABC whose coordinate are, suppose that A coordinate of 3a comma 0, coordinate of B 0 comma 3b, and coordinate of C is a comma 2b. Prove that these points are collinear, means passes only one line, all 3 points. So here given that x1 equal to 3a and y1 equal to 0, x2 equal to b 0, y2 equal to 3b, and x3 equal to a and y3 equal to 2b. We know that area of triangle equal to 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So therefore 1 by 2 x1 equal to 3a, y2 equal to 3b, y2 minus y3 equal to 2b, plus x2 equal to 0, so other whole part is 0, plus x3 equal to a, y1 equal to 0, and y2 equal to 3b. Therefore 1 by 2 3a multiplied by 3b minus b plus a multiplied by minus 3b minus 3ab. So therefore 1 by 2 3ab minus 3ab equal to 0. Area of triangle 0, therefore the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Write down.